Hello students, I am Anju Mathu from Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you effective presentation skills. A presentation is a means of communication which can be adapted to various speaking situations such as talking to a group, addressing a meeting or briefing a team. Presentation skills. Following are the steps included in preparing effective presentation. Plan, prepare, practice, present. Planning usually includes following questions. Who is your audience? Why are they there? What is your goal? How long will it be? Where will it take place? Here, following points must keep in mind while preparing. Structure, prompt, visual aids, voice, appearance, style, questions. Write your presentation in this order. Objective, beginning or introduction, main content, summary, conclusion and recommendations, questions. Sure. Introduction, grab the audience attention. Main theme, content should be relevant to topic. Summary or conclusion, key message. Short bullet points, keywords only. Put your entire prompt onto your PowerPoint slides. These prompts are for you. 8. Use simple fonts, colors and graphs. Use images and clip art. 3 to 7 bullets per slide. Don't overcrowd your slides. It will not look professional. New or different visual aids will wake people up. Voice. Louder and clear than your normal pitch. Vary pitch and volume. Overemphasize. Dark colors read as businesslike. Wear comfortable shoes to weight your feet evenly. Allow yourself to move a bit. Look confident. You already have a style. Don't try to copy others. Use words and sentences you use in normal days. Be yourself. Sketch an idea that what kind of questions audience may ask. Material. You can use following items to make the content of your presentation. Handouts, personal notes, internet, visual aids. Yes. Rehearse all points what you prepare. Rehearse with all visual aids and handouts. Practice again and again to manage time. Rehearse in front of mirrors or a friend. Make a strong start. Engage the audience in first 2-3 minutes. Show your passion through your movements and gestures. Make an eye contact. Don't forget to smile as well, unless your topic is very grim. In presentation, lack of experience, lack of enthusiasm, lack of practice, lack of related material, lack of confidence, hesitation, ambiguity in the results that you want to conclude. Tips for successful presentation: be over prepared, rehearse and practice, grip on your topic, know your subject, be positive, avoid stress. Conclusion: always prepare, channelize your fear, interact with your audience. You are clear with the topic. Thank you.